And sources within the Aam Aadmi Party are in fact distancing themselves from Prashant Bhushan's comments, advocating issue-based conditional support to the BJP to help end the stalemate in Delhi. Now, sources say Prashant Bhushan was only voicing his personal opinion and that the party does in no way endorse this view. Ankit Tyagi now joining us on the phone line with more. Ankit has been tracking the AAP for a while now. Ankit, is this indicative of a divide within the Aam Aadmi Party? The party obviously distancing itself from Prashant Bhushan's comments. Not really good for the party right after they've made this spectacular political debut after the elections.
Sanjana, the sources within the Aam Aadmi Party have made it very clear that whatever Prashant Bhushan said in a television interview yesterday about issue-based support to the BJP are his personal views. The party has made it absolutely clear that they will not support or take support from any of the other political parties, be it the Congress or the BJP. In fact, the Political Affairs Committee of the party, which met at Arvind Kejriwal's house today in the morning, they also decided that there is absolutely no question of them going ahead and forming the government with either the BJP or the Congress. BJP is the party which has got the maximum number of seats in Delhi, and they should go ahead and stake claim. If that does not happen, Aam Aadmi Party it does not have the numbers. They are not trying to take or give support to any of the other parties, and they will hence go forward for repolls. In fact, yesterday at the meeting of the Aam Aadmi Party legislators, one thing that was made very clear is that you should go back to your constituencies and start working for the elections right from now. So they are preparing for a repoll. As far as Prashant Bhushan is concerned, it has been made abundantly clear by the party that those are his personal views and has nothing to do with the party line.
Absolutely, Ankit Tyagi giving us this update as sources in fact indicating that the Aam Aadmi Party is distancing itself from Prashant Bhushan's comments.